Do you know that custom metal gates are one of the most in-demand home improvement features right now? Homeowners, business owners, and even luxury estate developers are always looking for unique high-quality gates that make a statement. The key to creating a successful custom metal gate starts with understanding the market. Different buyers have different needs, and that reflects in the style they prefer. Some homeowners want sleek modern designs with clean lines and minimal ornamentation. Others love intricate wrought iron patterns that bring a classic elegant feel to their entrance. There are also buyers who prioritize durability over aesthetics, seeking heavy-duty steel gates that provide maximum security. Knowing what type of gate are trending and what styles buyers are willing to pay a top dollar for is one of the biggest factors in designing gates that move fast in the market. Another major factor in creating high-selling metal gates is choosing the right materials. Steel, wrought iron, and aluminum are the top contenders when it comes to gate fabrication, and each material has its own advantages. Wrought iron is known for its decorative possibilities, making it a go-to choice for ornate traditional gates. Steel offers superior strength, making it ideal for security-focused designs. Aluminum, on the other hand, is lightweight and rust-resistant, making it a perfect option for modern or coastal properties. Selecting the right material based on the design, location, and buyer preference can make all the difference in a gate's overall appeal and long-term durability. The next big element in designing a best-selling custom metal gate is crafting a visually striking design. Gates aren't just functional barriers, they serve as a property's first impression. Buyers are drawn to gates that enhance the look of their home or business while offering practical benefits like privacy and protection. Some of the best-selling designs incorporate geometric patterns, nature-inspired elements like vines and leaves, or even personalized details such as monograms or family crests. There's also a growing market for minimalist gates with sleek horizontal bars or laser cut panels that create a refined contemporary feel. A high-demand metal gate isn't just about appearance, it's also about functionality. Buyers look for gates that offer smooth operation, whether they are manual or automated. Many property owners prefer swing gates for a classic look, while sliding gates are a top choice for driveways with limited space. Automated gates with motorized systems and remote access controls add a level of convenience that makes them even more attractive to buyers. Ensuring that a gate operates flawlessly not only increases its value but also builds a strong reputation for reliability, which leads to repeat customers and word of mouth referrals. Customization is a major selling point when it comes to metal gates. Buyers love having options, and a gate that can be tailored to fit specific needs always stand out in the market, offering choices in size, finish, decorative elements, and automation features makes the product more appealing to a wider audience. Some customers may want a rust-resistant powder coated finish in black or bronze, while others may prefer a hand-painted patina for a more rustic feel. Providing these custom options enhances the perceived value of the gate, making it more desirable to buyers. One of the biggest factors that contribute to a metal gate selling power is its durability. A gate that looks good but doesn't last will never gain long-term popularity. Buyers expect metal gate to withstand the elements, whether it's rain, snow, or intense heat. Weather-resistant coatings, rust-proof finishes, and steady welding techniques all play a role in ensuring that a gate not only looks amazing, but remains functional and structurally sound for years to come. Another way to make a custom metal gate stand out in the market is by integrating modern technology. Smart gate systems are becoming increasingly popular, allowing users to control access remotely via smartphone apps or keyless entry pads. Solar-powered gate openers add an eco-friendly touch, which appeals to buyers looking for sustainable home upgrades. Adding these features elevate the value of a gate, making it an attractive investment for customers who want convenience and innovative along with security. Showcasing past projects and customers' testimonials also enhances a gate credibility. Buyers want proof that the gate they are purchasing is worth the investment, highlighting real-world installations, before and after transformations, and positive reviews from satisfied customers all contribute to a gate appeal. This type of social media proof builds trust, which is one of the most powerful factors in securing a sale. Collaborating with builders, landscapers, and real estate developers can also boost sales. These professionals often work with homeowners looking for custom metal gates, making them valuable partners in reaching the right audience. Establishing relationships with contractors who recommend high quality gates to their clients create a steady stream of potential buyers. Creating limited edition designs or exclusive collection can also drive demand. Unique one-of-a-kind gates that aren't mass-produced appeal to buyers looking for something special. Offering custom engravings, artistic patterns, or signature design elements makes a gate feel like a piece of art rather than just an entrance barrier. Showcasing a variety of styles within a portfolio expands the potential customer base. Some buyers prefer modern gates with sleek finishes, while others are drawn to elaborate wrought iron designs. By offering a diverse range of options, a custom gate business can cater to different tastes and maximize sales potential. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and sharing for others to also get it. See you in the next video.